nice kitchen. Well, that's why my wife loves to cook and stay here in the kitchen. Oops! Look at the chair. It's not attractive anymore. It's broken. Let me see. I think this needs to retire. So, we need to get another one. My wife found this bar stool from internet. We are not promoting this bar stool, but to us it's something interesting. So she bought it. What can I say? She likes it. So here I am, pulling it out from the boxes, and we'll start it to assemble it myself. So I just figured out how to assemble it. Anyway, they usually provide instruction how to assemble it. Accordingly, we need a cross screwdriver, a wrench, a wood hammer or a rubber hammer, a razor, but a scissor can work on it. Nowadays, here in America, whenever you buy a certain cabinet, stool, chair, or sometimes even a sofa, you have to do it yourself. You have to assemble it yourself. So by then people can learn a lot. Anyway, as I mentioned, it is an instruction and I find it easier to assemble. Back in the days when we were in the Philippines, whenever we buy some cabinets, chairs, stool, even a bed, usually the seller or when it was delivered assembled already, fully assembled, and we don't have anything to do at all. So we just put it in the desired place we want to put it. Almost done. I'm a little excited to see how it looks like, though I saw it in the picture. Boom, it's there, it's finished. Wow, pretty good. I have to assemble the other one, and I know it's gonna be very easy and very quick for me because I know already I had the first time and this will be the second. So here I am. I'm doing it as fast as I can just to finish the job. But anyway, here assembling it, the moment you know it already, it becomes easy. There's always the first time that you have to learn. I wish I moved this fast in the real life. If I can, then maybe I can build a house in just one day. Exciting, huh? A real exciting job for me. And of course for you guys. If you try to do something like this, or other than this, you'll feel satisfaction at the end, for sure. Still, here I am. It's almost finished. And I'm done. Oh, I got the new one. Goodbye to the old one.
So if you like my videos, please subscribe.